formula and substitution. Examples: a gas at a temperature of theta degrees Celsius has an absolute temperature of T Kelvin. That K means Kelvin. Take note. Where T equals to theta plus 273. A. Find the absolute temperature of a gas at temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. B. If the absolute temperature of a gas is 540 Kelvin, find its temperature in degrees Celsius. Solution. The A. Now the formula connecting temperature in degrees Celsius and Kelvin is given as T equals to theta plus 273. Now in this question, we also find the absolute temperature. And T represents absolute temperature. That is, we also find T when theta equals to 28 degrees Celsius. So T will be equal to what? Anywhere we see theta, we'll put 28. 28 plus 273. Now, let's add 28 plus 273. Adding from the back. 8 plus 3. We have 11. We write 1, we carry 1. Now, 1 plus 7, we have 8. 8 plus 2, we have what? 10. Then we write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2, we have 3. So the answer is 301 Kelvin. That is the answer for the absolute temperature for the first part of the problem. B. If the absolute temperature of a gas, that is, for this question, we have T to be equal to 540 Kelvin. Don't forget that the T represents absolute temperature. Now we are now asked to find temperature in degrees Celsius, and that is theta. So we are still going to use this equation to get our solution. Now, from the left-hand side, we have T to be 540 equals to what? Theta plus 273. Now, we need to find theta. We collect light time. Collecting light time, we have 540. Bringing this to the left, minus 273 is equals to what? Theta. Now, we need to take away 273 from 540. Now, 540 minus 273. From the back, want to take away 3 from 0. You need to borrow. Borrow 1 from here, it will remain 3. So we add 1 to this. What do we have? We are having 10. 10 minus 3, we have 7. Then 3 minus 7 now. We need to borrow from 5. It will remain 4. Then we add 1 to this. What do we have? We have 13. 13 minus 7, that will be what? 6. Then 4 minus 2, we have 2. So in this case, it means that the answer to theta equals to what? 267 degrees Celsius. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.